What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a kind of like unboxing, but not really an unboxing because I only got one item. But I've been wanting to try out the brand Makeup Scientist, and it's Black owned. I did my research. I know of the owner personally, follow her on Instagram and on Twitter, and I've just seen how far she's come in really a short amount of time. She has at least 3 or 4 eyeshadow palettes. She has some single shadows. She has a beauty blender. She's getting ready to launch some baking powders or setting powders, and there's plenty more on the site, so I will put the link in the description box for you to check her out. I'm excited to actually dig into this because as I stated in my previous video, I'm really looking to use more Black owned items and products and support Black businesses and local Black businesses, because I just see that we're living in 2 different worlds, and this isn't a kumbaya statement, but you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do, and if I can do the slightest thing as far as supporting a Black business, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to support them as much as I can over other businesses because it's necessary in these times. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So here's my package. I'm not going to show the other side because it has my mailing address on it. And yeah, so cute little holographic shiny packaging. I'm going to get ready to open this up. So it comes with, oh, this is cute. It comes with, I don't even know, let me open it up, but it has like this little warning label on it, which I think is really, really cute. It comes with the invoice that's inside, obviously for what you purchased, and I got the Lab Manual palette, and this retailed for $46, and well, it's like $36, and then shipping was like $7. And then also it comes with little business cards, and I think, let's see. Oh, you get 10% off on your next order. So it comes with a little coupon code. And then this is a business card, which I think is so cute. Like, I like brands that really put a lot of detail into what they're doing, because that's what sets them apart. That's what makes them a brand worth buying from, because they truly invest in the quality of their marketing. So that's the front of the card. And here's the back of the card, which I think is so cute. It has like the little fingerprint on it and the barcode and her social media information. So that's what's up. This is what it looks like. This is the front of it. And on the back, it just says, the Lab Manual is a 12 color, extremely pigmented eyeshadow palette. Follow at Makeup Scientist Cosmetics on Instagram. And then you can visit www.makeupscientistcosmetics.com. It's by Jessica, I hope I'm saying that right. And it's cruelty free and vegan. Turn up, turn up. And yeah, so it just kind of gives you the like the ingredients and stuff on the back. So when I open it up, it's like a small little mirror, and it has like a little access code that says scan me. And then but the mirror is shaped like a microscope, which is really cute. So y'all can see it. Get into it. Come on, details. We love to see them. And then obviously on the other side is the eyeshadow palette. And I just thought this was a really unique color combo. Not like any palette that I currently have. There's a blue shade in here that I really, really like. There's a couple of pink shades. A few shimmery shades. So I'm excited to see what I'm going to pull off with this. I'm a little nervous about just using this on its own, but I don't know if I'll just use this on its own, because I feel like, well, with this particular palette, there's not like a lot of transition shades. These are more like shimmer shades for your lid, which I think is really cute and cool, so I'm not knocking that at all. There's a few other palettes that she has on her site, and they have a mix of shimmer shades and transitional shades, so she does have the option available. Like I said, I just really wanted to choose something outside of my element. So I think I will, obviously I'm going to use at least 2 or 3 shades out of here, but I'm probably going to start off with a transition shade because that's what I do. I just, you know, amen. So yeah, I'm excited to get into it. And so for the sake of this tutorial, I won't be sharing or putting much emphasis on what I'm doing as far as my transition area is concerned, because I want to give full undivided attention to the palette that is being featured in this video. So yeah, if you have like questions about that, use your best discretion when recreating this look. But yeah, I really want to focus on the brand and the palette that I actually got. So yeah, in preparation for this, I am using the Urban Decay primer potion for my lid. Okay, so now I'm ready to dig into these colors. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of concealer because the shade that I'm going to use, I really want to stand out from these transitional shades. And so I'm just gonna start off with a little bit of concealer. This ain't a cut crease tutorial by any stretch of an imagination. Yes, I like it. So now I'm going to find a flat shader brush or some kind of fluffy brush, anything really. And I'm gonna go in with the shade DNA. This is it's like almost like a perfect matte royal blue shade. Like, this is gonna break some necks. Like, I'm excited to use this color. Oh my god. That's actually the color I was drawn to the most in this palette, actually, when I saw it. So I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm really like packing it on right on top where I placed that concealer. So although that kind of helped pack it up there, I want to be able to like smooth it up there a little bit more. So I'm gonna find another brush and really get into it. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's just the blue and the transition shades that I used before this. So don't sleep on it just yet. Like, I haven't fleeked this to the fullest potential, but I will say that I like it so far, and like I'm just gonna keep working on it. So that was the shade DNA. If you've seen Zootopia, you know what I'm talking about. I like the matteness of it, but I think I want to add a little bit of shimmer on top of it. So I might just take the shade Crystal and lightly dust some of that over top. Just gonna go over top of that with some more from DNA. All right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go back in with my transition shades, blend that out some more. So now that I've gotten back into the transition colors, and then I'm going to take the shade Crystal again, and I'm just going to use that as my brow bone highlight, and I'm just gonna dust that up there like so. And then I'm gonna go back and blend it out, obviously, but once I do my lashes, liner, all that, I'll come back and finish the look. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my inner corner highlights, and I'll be taking the shade Baddie. It's like a icy blue shade. Get into it, okay? So that's that. And then I also want to try the purple shade called Lit. And I'm gonna drag that across my lower lash line. Okay, that's doing something for me, and I ain't mad at it. Come on, purple. So here I am. Here's the final look. It's serving all kinds of baddie, like, ooh, watch out. Look at this experiment, okay? Experiment 626. If you watch Lilo and Stitch. See, I wasn't even thinking about that correlation until now, but I do kind of look like a science experiment, you know, experiment 626. That's dope. But yeah, so this is the final look. I love how everything turned out collectively. If we're gonna keep it a buck though, I was a little disappointed in the blue shadow. It wasn't as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. Like when I looked at the palette, just screamed slap me. But when I put it on my face or my eyes, it wasn't giving me that socket to me, you know, pigmentation that I was looking for. It still came out very beautifully, if I do say so myself. The only thing is maybe I should have tried like a white eyeshadow primer to really get that color to pop a little bit more. But overall, I think it came out very well. I like how it looks all together. And again, that was the only shadow in the palette that I really had issues with. Off camera, I swatched a few more of those bright colors and they came out just fine. So maybe it was just that shade in particular. And then, like I said, going back, I would probably use like a white base to really get it to pop to my liking. But everything else was very pigmented. Like, I'm excited to use more of the shades in the palette, and I did purchase this with my own money. So this is my unfiltered, unadulterated thoughts on the entire palette. I'm pleased with how it's looking so far. Like, this is a look like, sis, snatched. All of it just snatched. So yeah, so I really enjoyed this palette. Like I said, there's tons more things on her site. She just recently launched a full collection of lip glosses, all nude shades. Now, if you know me, I love me a good nude, okay? So yeah, she has like a bunch of shades to choose from. I actually need to pick up some because I don't have any in my collection and I currently now need some. So yeah, so be sure to check out her website. Like I said, go ahead and follow her on Instagram. Check out her products. I can tell she's definitely a business owner that really puts a lot of work into what she does, from the packaging to like the little details, which matters to me as a creative person. When I see somebody like really putting in that work and like effort into the details, it just makes you want to support them even more. So really check out her stuff. Buy, support Black business, buy from Black business. Don't be cheap. You know, support Black business. So yeah, that's really all I have to say on this look. It is serving. You know, I'm a little mad I ain't got no date or whatever, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. We just gonna chill at the house and look cute. Ain't nothing wrong with looking cute at the house. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Come on, we about to reach 400. I'm so excited. Like, y'all don't even know. And then also, if you have not seen my tutorial on how I achieved this hairstyle, be sure to check that out as well. Get all the good deets and juicy details on how I did this. And yeah, I'll just catch you guys in the next video. Be blessed, stay up, stay prayed up.